Hi guys, Tim from the Heresy group here. I've got my Husar Noble plate carrier, very custom. I've done a lot to this since I've been using it. Fantastic plate carrier system, obviously very customizable. You are enabled to really bespoke this as much as you like, and there's lots and lots of new accessories coming to the market. Here you can see it in its pretty much standard form. I have made a few changes. Obviously I've got my comms set up on here. I've got my bow thing, and then off of the bow thing I've got my rake-out frontiers and a custom Lemo PTT. In the front here is also custom. I've got Kydex inserts for the front kangaroo flap, and I've also put my Blaze Defense Systems quick release system on here. If you want to find out some more information about the Blaze Defense, then you can do that back on the channel, which is www.theheresygroup.com. This is one of the more recent videos. It's the Blaze Defense quick release system. You can look that up. One of the things that I did mention to Husar that I did like was this quick release system. They did say there's some stuff in the works, and I've got them here. These are the zipper release fronts, so no longer do you have to lift that front flap up. You can literally just slide this open, and you can actually do that up with a nice zipper. Now I asked them about the strength of the strain. Is the zip strong enough? If the plate carrier is pulled or tugged or anything like that, they've assured me that the zip is more than strong enough. It's nice and easy, nice and accessible, and obviously less bulky than these. So I will be swapping over to that during this video. Another thing that I did want to change out, obviously we've got the flat Molly back panel here. I wanted to swap that out for a custom back panel. Now, one of the nice things definitely about this back panel is the storage capability that comes with this kind of Assaulter's Medic back panel. So essentially it swaps over with this. I'm just going to move this over like so, and inside here sits this kind of clamshell open bag. Now, no, you're not going to get the biggest of items in here, but for batteries, speed reloaders, pyro, any other bits and bobs, medical bits and bobs, you can really stack this out. Really nice big pull cords on here, full YKK zippers. I love the little red pull tags. I love the red pull tab at the top. And essentially how this works, you clamshell this closed like so, and slide this into the back panel. Now obviously you cannot do this while you're wearing it. This is going to have to be kind of done while you're out on the ground. You paste that into the back panel like so, and you leave this tab hanging down. There is a Kydex space here for it. You fold this up like so. Just going to do it so that I can see what's going on, and then fold that closed like so. The thing is then, is whilst this is on your back, you can reach round with your right or your left hand, hold onto this tab, give it a pull like so, and this will come out. As simple as that, with all your equipment in it, means it's all nicely and easy accessible. Now obviously it does mean for you to be able to re-stash this into your back panel, you are going to have to take the plate carrier off, but for quick accessibility you can always get what you need to out of this, throw it into a sack or throw it to the ground. Very easy to use, but something I am interested in trying, especially while I'm out on the field. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut to the kind of transformed rig once it's been all changed over, and then show you that setup on and the changes that I've made and exactly how this works once this is on the body. So guys, as you can see, I've now got the plate carrier on. This is the Husar Noble, and I've got the zipper sides on. Much lower signature. Good thing about these, obviously they just zip up at the front, nice and easy to remove if you need to. You can get in and out of the plate carrier nice and simply, and again from the top you can just push that down onto the top and pull it down. Really do like this. Very easy to get on. Obviously there's no more lifting that front flap up. You can just do that with the zipper sides. Nice thing about this cummerbund again is compressible, so if you are leaning in at any sort of awkward angle on either side, or if you've got your elbow tucked in, you're not going to be hitting those BDS clips that I had as before. Nice thing about the zippers, again, you don't have to lift the front up. It is a really quick way of getting the plate carrier on and off, and it's nice and convenient. As you can tell, just hanging low here is the zip pull, so if you do need to get these off quickly, again, it's as simple as that. And if you do need to get them on, it's very simple. Again, just push them onto the top of the zip like so and pull down, and it's nicely attached. So if you do want to adjust these, again, they have the same adjustment system as the standard cummerbund on the plate carrier. Again, you've got that elasticated system on the back that allows you to expand or contract the sides. If you do want to see some more information about that, you can see that in the full breakdown video of this plate carrier that is back on the channel. I'll also have it linked in the white eye on the top right hand corner. Spinning around to the back then, as you can see, I've swapped out the panels now. Still got the Assaulter's back panel in, rerouted all of my comms and everything. Really nice to access now. People have asked me about this back panel in pictures on Instagram and so on and so forth. You know, how well does it work? How easy is it to access? Is it very difficult? No, it's really not. You're not going to be using this at all times, but if you do need to get to you know, some equipment in an absolute emergency without having to take a big backpack off, you can do it simply like this. So as you can see, the small tab that dangles down in the back, you know, it's not so low that it's going to interfere with anything and be easily to get catched, but very easy for left or right hand to be able to get back around there, to be able to give this a pull. You don't have to pull it hard, just give it a small yank like so, and then you've got the panel that comes away from inside. Now this is unloaded, there isn't anything in there at the moment, but if there was, obviously that inertia with that extra weight is going to make it even easier to come out. Really nice big red tab at the top, just easy to identify the top zippers. Again, you can just pull these down and this clamshell's open like so. You can tell that there is a ton of storage in there. No, you're not going to get the massive big bulky items in, but for sure it's going to give you enough storage for emergencies out on the ground. If you're looking at this from a medic capability, lots of tie down areas, tourniquets, bandages, Celox, all types of medical you know, bits and bobs that you're going to need. There could be a huge variety in there, but you know, you're going to get the majority of the stuff in here. Nice big red zippers, I do like that in cases of an emergency to be able to get into the back access areas. You've got this top mesh pocket at the top and then same on the bottom, and then you've got it reversed. So a really nice storage solution that is nice and sleek. Again, once this is out, yes, you do have to take the plate carrier off to get it back in, or to get a friend to put it back in for you, but the convenience is that it hasn't made any changes to the plate carrier at all, apart from this flap now hanging down. Again, if you really wanted to get that tucked away, just in case, you can do it simply like so, and the plate carrier is back to fully functioning. So in the case of an emergency, you can just give that a pull and you are in a very good position to be able to use everything from within that very quickly, much quicker than getting a pack off, you know, or having to remove the plate carrier to access mini maps and stuff like that will go on the back. So 2 accessories, very good upgrades for the plate carrier. Obviously, as you can tell, really do like the zipper sides. Are they an absolute necessity? No. But if you don't like lifting this front panel up all the time, once you've got this set into position, it's set into position. One thing for me that is good to know is that the 416 magazines that I have in here are significantly longer by about an inch and a bit than an M4 mag. So because of that, it makes it very difficult to be able to lift that flap up. For me to lift the flap up correctly and get everything seated nicely, I do have to take those magazines out. So no longer do I have to take them out, I can access this all from the sides. Guys, if you want links to these products, I'll make sure they are in the description below. These are very new products. They might not be listed on the website as of yet, but by the time this is released, I'm sure that the new website will be up and all the products will be out. If not, just drop me a message. If they are, they will be in the description below. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you sticking with me, sticking with the channel. We've got a ton of content coming soon, lots more stuff from Husar, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.